As a business owner, you're probably interested in saving money and using free AI models from one of the largest marketplaces in the world for open source models, which is Huggingface. So let's see how we can do that. This AI flow is using a Huggingface inference endpoint, which is a very fancy word for we use a free model from a website that is very popular. If you have never heard of Huggingface, it's probably the biggest collection of AI-related models. Most of them are open source. Some of them have so-called inference endpoints, which means that we can use models for free. In my case, this is a Falcon 7 billion model. It's not the newest one, so there is a bigger chance that we actually can use it. Some of these models might not respond because so many people try to use them. The setup here is very simple. We have a simple prompt. Let's think step by step. This is a so-called LLM chain. It doesn't have any memory attached, so it won't recognize the former conversation parts. Instruct models are usually used to do a single task. So let's try what is 5 plus 6, and we get an answer. 5 is a single digit number and 6 is a single digit number. So 5 plus 6 is a single digit number. The answer is 11. Let's try what is a fish, and here is the answer. It's pretty fast, and as I said, it doesn't cost you a dime. Huggingface has hundreds and hundreds of AI models that can do different tasks like classification. For example, if you have reviews, it can find out if a review is good or bad, and you could use something like this to respond to the review in a certain way. This is a whole universe itself. You see, we have 812,693 models. We also have so-called spaces, which are online solutions where we also can use interfaces like this one to build our own chatbots. Anyhow, I wanted to tell you that it is available, it is free, it is not the most performant solution, but it's included, and for some tasks it might be good enough. Since 2014, I have taught thousands of people how to create automated trading systems, and now we do 20 business automation servers at a time. We will pay for the first month, we will do the setup and the programming, and if you want one, just click on the link below.